Hey Trailites, let's jump right into making this easy black bean quesadilla recipe. You're going to need one 540 milliliter can of black beans, 1 cup of frozen corn, half a cup of red onion, 1 clove of garlic, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 1 packet of taco seasoning, cilantro to taste, and 10 small tortillas. Dice your onion and mince your garlic. I'm using cilantro paste, but if you're using fresh cilantro, you'll want to chop that as well. Drain and rinse your black beans, then put them in a large bowl. Add in the corn, onion, garlic, cilantro, shredded cheese, and taco seasoning, then mix until combined. Put some filling on one of your tortillas and cover with a second tortilla. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat and carefully transfer your quesadilla to the pan. Any true Happy Box how-to fans will know that this is my least favorite part of a recipe, so let's see how it goes. Flip your quesadilla and... okay, that wasn't so bad. Let the other side cook until golden brown, and that's it. Enjoy your easy, cheesy weeknight meal.